Okay, here we are, it's Vinayak Chaturthi, but we're not missing out on anything. Here we are in Tennessee, but it's Vinayak Chaturthi, so we're making nice kadabu. Way back when we were kids, it was part of the family ritual that only on this day, all the male members of the family would get into the kitchen and do this kadabu. I'm not doing a great job on the design part of it, but so, with this rice flour, my father would make a nice mouse to be Ganapati's vehicle. Well, don't ask me how anybody can ride a mouse, but he did. Well, all that matters is kadabu tastes good. That's all that matters. So even if it's in the form of a mouse, we just ate it up because it tasted so good. Here I am. We will make both sweet ones. This is a sweet one. We will also make a very spicy one. Well, spice is absent here right now. Here I am, stitching them together like this. Not bad at all by design. They are loaded now with sweet and it needs to be steamed after this. So inside is, well, jaggery. Jaggery means it's a kind of a farm sugar, that is, it's not gone to the factory process, but it's out of sugarcane. We can also do this out of palm sugar, but this is sugarcane jaggery and rice flour, and of course, a little ingenuity, design, and steam it and eat it here. This needs to be steamed, don't eat it up as it is, needs to be steamed and move after that. Vinayak Chaturthi means it's a Ganesha festival. What is the significance of Ganesha? He is supposed to remove all obstacles. This doesn't mean that he is going to come and remove all your obstacles. Ganesha has a big head, am I right? They removed his small head and put a big head on him. So, he is supposed to be super intelligent and also super balanced. If you maintain a sharp sense of intelligence, your intellect, you keep it sharp, work on that, and also stay very stable. If you're balanced and you have a sharp intelligence, all obstacles will go naturally in life. So that is what Ganesha represents. Today is dedicated to him. Well, he likes food, he has a big stomach. I don't have anything to match that, huh? I can't match him in the stomach business. But if you have a sharp intelligence and a balanced intelligence, then there are no obstacles in your life. Every obstacle is a possibility. Right now, virus times, pandemic, well, it has disrupted our life, but it need not destroy our lives. If we use our intelligence and maintain a balance, we will see that this pandemic situation will become a great opportunity. There are many problems, but today is Ganesha festival. Let's see this nice sweet, it's called kadabu in Karnataka, kudumu in Telugu and in Andhra Pradesh, and modakam in Tamil. But once you eat it, you would not mind having a big stomach department. That's how it tastes. With the same rice flour, we also made a Ganapati. Here it is. How cute is he? Because it's raining outside, not able to go out and do anything, so eating. Shambho.